In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Zoom plugin to Outlook, a process that will seamlessly integrate these two essential tools for a more efficient work environment. We'll go through each step in detail to ensure you're set up in no time. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type Zoom and press enter. This will take you to a page filled with links related to Zoom. You'll want to click on the official Zoom website link. It's generally one of the top results and easy to spot as it's labeled with the Zoom logo. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, take a moment to explore the layout. You're looking for something specific here, so start scrolling down the page. As you scroll, keep an eye out for any mentions of plugins or integrations. These are crucial for enhancing the capabilities of your applications. Your next step is to locate and click on the Outlook plugin option. This may be nested under a menu titled Resources or Downloads. By clicking this link, you'll be directed to a page dedicated to downloading the plugin needed to link Zoom with Outlook effectively. Now, on the download page, you're going to see a button that says Download Zoom plugin for Outlook. Give that a click, and this will initiate the download process of the necessary files onto your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments, but with the plugin file now downloaded, your task is to proceed by following the on-screen prompts. These prompts guide you through the installation process. If a window pops up asking for permission to make changes to your computer, click Yes. The installation steps are generally straightforward with options like Next, Install, and Finish. Therefore, allow the prompts to assist you in completing the installation. Once completed, open Outlook to check if the integration was successful. You should notice new options available within your email client related to Zoom. These include scheduling Zoom meetings directly from your calendar or emails, streamlining your workflow significantly. And to wrap things up, this integration allows for a symbiotic relationship between Outlook and Zoom, which means less hassle when scheduling calls and more time focusing on what truly matters, your work. If you encounter any issues during installation, revisiting the Zoom support page or seeking help from IT professionals may provide additional solutions. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Zoom and Outlook are now connected. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.